All right, so let's have a look at this question. This is January 2018, and it's question number 6. And it says the diagram below shows triangle. The diagram below shows triangle PQR. So this is triangle PQR. Then it says state the coordinates of R. The first thing we're asked to do is to state the coordinates of R. So A, what is the coordinate of R? Tell me please. R is the point what? 0, 3. Whenever you're reading a coordinate, you must always read the x coordinate first. Your x coordinate is your vertical coordinate. The y-axis is the line x is equal to 0. The y-axis is the line x is equal to 0. So the vertical coordinate is x is equal to 0. The horizontal coordinate is y is equal to 3. So the coordinate of R is 0, 3. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Sorry? Are you serious? X is 0. These are 2, these are 4. In between 2 and 4 is 3.
What is it?
Alright, please listen. Are you listening? It says on the diagram above, draw triangle P prime, Q prime, P prime, Q prime, R prime, a reflection of triangle PQR in the line Y is equal to 1. The very first thing we need to do is that we need to draw the line Y is equal to 1. We're asked to reflect PQR in the line Y is equal to 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the line Y is equal to 1 is a horizontal line that passes through 1 on the y-axis. So this would be the line Y is equal to 1. And we're asked to reflect triangle PQR in the line Y is equal to 1. Please note, whenever you reflect, on a reflection, one point about a reflection is that the object and the image are on what? Sorry, the object and image are the same distance from the mirror line on either sides of the mirror line. How far is R from the mirror line? How far is R from the mirror line? Talk to me now. So it's 1, 2. The image R prime is 2 units of the mirror line, but on the other side. 1, 2. This is the new position of R. This is R prime. How far is Q from the mirror line? How far is Q from the mirror line? Q is 1 unit from the mirror line. The image Q prime is 1 unit from the mirror line, but on the other side. This would be what?
Sorry,
Q prime.
yes, sir, paper.
Alright. P Q P prime. How far is Q from the mirror line? 4 units. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. The image Q prime is the same distance but on the other side. This would be what? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the new position of Q. This is Q prime. All we need to now do is what? Draw the triangle. Alright. Did you do that?
Yes.
Let's go. Next we have to draw what? Triangle P double prime, Q double prime, R double prime, a reflection of what? P prime, Q prime, R prime in the line X is equal to 0. Are you listening? Next, we must what? Draw triangle P double prime, Q double prime, R double prime, a reflection of triangle what? PQR in the line, sorry, P prime, Q prime, R prime in the line X is equal to 0. What can you tell me about the line X is equal to 0? What can you tell me about the line X is equal to 0? What can you tell me about the line x is equal to 0? The line x is equal to 0 is the y-axis. The line x is equal to 0 is the y-axis. We're asked to reflect what? This triangle in the y-axis. Alright, let's reflect. This is the y-axis and it's my mirror line. How far is Q from the mirror line? How far is Q from the mirror line? This is 1, 2. The image Q prime is the same distance on the other side. 1, 2. This is the new image of what? Q, and this is what? Q double prime. How far is P from the mirror line? 2. The image, so this is 1 unit, 2 units. The image P double prime is 1 unit, 2 units on the other side. This is P double prime. Where is R prime? If a point, what happens to a point on the mirror line in a reflection? In a reflection, a point that is on the mirror line does not move. It means that what? That point is both the what? The object and the image. So, if you want, you could say what? Did they say P double prime? Yeah, they say R double prime. If you want, you could simply just put what? R double prime. And then connect them. And everybody know that when you do this, you must use a what? You must use a ruler. Alright, this would have been R prime. Alright, this is what you should have. This is what you should have. Do you have that so far? Is this a? Then we are told to what? Describe fully. It says, describe fully. Describe fully the single transformation that maps P double prime, Q double prime, R double prime onto PQR. Here what we're asking, which transformation is going to map? Describe fully the single transformation that maps P double prime, Q double prime, R double prime to PQR. Which transformation, which single transformation is going to map this triangle to that triangle? Listen, come on. At some point they need to grow up and stop doing what? Stupidness. Whenever you say a rotation, you must give 3 things. You must give what? The direction, the angle, and you need to give the what? The direction, the angle, and the what? Center of rotation. Which transformation is going to map P double prime, Q double prime, R double prime to PQR? I agreed it's a rotation, but you cannot just say that. You need 3 things. So I'm already just no sense. It is a rotation. Now, based on me drawing that line, tell me what is the center of the rotation? Talk to me. Tell me, based on that line that I just drew, tell me what is the center of the rotation? Very good. The center of the rotation is here. It is 0, 1. How do I know? Because what? This is what? Radius. And this is what? Radius. It must be the same what? Length. And this is what? 2, 1. And this is what? 2, 1. The length here and the length here is the same. So I could say that triangle P double prime, Q double prime, R double prime is mapped onto triangle PQR by a rotation of 180 degrees about the point, about the point 1, sorry, about the point 0, 1. Please note, it's when you have a 180-degree rotation. Yeah, man, I'm just about to say that. When you have a 180-degree rotation, you don't have to state direction. Because 180 degrees to the right or 180 degrees to the left is going to carry to the what? The same point. When you have a 180-degree rotation, you do not need to state direction. How do I know that this is the center? It's a 180-degree rotation. This is the center. Let us say it is O. So P, O, P prime would be the what? The angle of what? Rotation. And that angle is what? 180 degrees. So triangle P double prime, Q double prime, R double prime is mapped onto triangle what? PQR by a rotation of 180 degrees about the point 0, 1. Alright, let's do the last part, D. So this was what? A. This was C. And now let's do D. What does D say? D says triangle PQR undergoes an enlargement. Are you listening? I like this question, there's so much things in it. There's what? There's reflection, there's rotation. Now it's going to what? Undergo an enlargement. Triangle PQR undergoes an enlargement of scale factor 2. Calculate the area of its image. Please listen. Triangle PQR undergoes an enlargement, scale factor 2, calculate the area of its image. Here's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the fact that K squared is equal to the area of image divided by the area of the object. I'm going to use the fact that K squared is equal to the area of the image divided by the area of the object. Who can tell me what is the area of the image? The image is triangle what? PQR. This is the image. Sorry, this is the object. The object is triangle what? PQR. Who can tell me what is the area of triangle PQR? You could do it by observation, you could do it by calculation. Say, giant plus. So when I go into the exam, go down now, just look stupid. Area. Triangle. PQR is equal to, well, I think it looks like it's 3 units. I said it looks like 3 units. It looks like 3. If you look at this is what 1 and a half and another half, that's 2. This is a half of 2, which is what 3. I did a question like that with my evening class group. But if you didn't want to go that route, you could have used what? Calculation. What is the length of this side? I don't know. 3. What is the length from what? From here to here is how much? So this is what? 2. The area is what? A half base times height. It's a half. The base is what? 3. And the height is what? 2. A half of 2 is 1. This is what? 3 square units. The area of PQR is 3 square units. Ladies and gentlemen, we're told that the scale factor is 2. We're told that the scale factor is 2. So K squared, which is what? 2 squared. 2 squared is equal to the area of what? Image divided by the area of the object, which is 3. 4 is equal to area of image divided by 3. If I have one fraction is equal to one fraction, what do I do? So this is what? Area of image is equal to 3 times 4 This is what 12 square units. The area of the image is equal to 12 square units. Ladies and gentlemen, here's what the examiner asked. He said, triangle PQR undergoes an enlargement of scale factor 2. Calculate the area of its image. The area of the image is 12 square units. The area of the image is 12 square units.